Today we will see class 12 macroeconomics unit 7 chapter 5 rural development. Rural development is a process of improving the standard of life and social economic welfare of the people living in rural areas. Key issues in rural development. 1. Raising agricultural productivity per unit of land. 2. Improving agricultural marketing system that ensures remunerative price to the farmer for his produce. 3. Motivate the production of higher value crops. 4. Motivate agricultural diversification. 5. Diversification of production activity with a view to find alternative means of sustainable living other than crop cultivation. 6. Provision of credit facilities in the rural areas. 7. To reduce the level of poverty in rural areas by farm and non-farm employment. 8. Promotion of organic farming. 9. To expand education and health facilities in rural areas. Sources of rural credit in India. Non-institutional sources, institutional sources. 1. Non-institutional sources. It includes money lenders, traders, commission agents, landlords, relatives, and friends. 2. Institutional sources include 1. Cooperative credit societies. 2. SBI and other commercial banks. 3. Regional rural banks. 4. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. 5. Self-help groups. Agricultural marketing. The term agricultural marketing includes all those activities which are mostly related to gathering, processing, grading, packing, storing, transporting and selling the agricultural produce. Defects of agricultural marketing. 1. Adequate storage facilities. 2. Inadequate means of transport and communications. 3. Malpractice in a regulated markets. 4. Municipalities of middlemen. 5. Lack of proper grading. 6. Lack of adequate institutional finance. 7. Lack of proper marketing facilities. Measures adopted by the government to improve marketing system. 1. Regulate markets. 2. Provision of warehousing facilities. 3. Compulsory use of standard weights for measurement. 4. Subsidized transport. 5. Establishment of Food Corporation of India, FCI, Central Warehousing Corporation, etc. by the government to increase the capacity of storing. 6. Provision of minimum support price, MSP. 7. Dissemination of marketing information. Diversification in agriculture activities. It has two aspects. 1. Diversification of crop production. It refers to a system of multiple cropping rather than monocropping. It has two advantages. A. It lowers the risk of farmers on account of monsoon failure. B. It enhances the scope of commercialization of farming. 2. Diversification of productive activities. It implies a shift of labor force from crop farming to non-farming areas of employment like animal husbandry, fisheries, horticulture, etc. Non-farm areas of employment for rural population. 1. Animal husbandry. 2. Fisheries. 3. Poultry. 4. Beekeeping. 5. Horticulture. 6. Cottage and household industries. Organic farming. Organic farming is a system of farming in which organic inputs in bracket basically include animal measures and compost are used for cultivation. It discourages the use of cultivation. It discourages the use of chemical inputs. This method of farming is environmental friendly. Advantages of organic farming. 1. Organic level of soil increased by the use of organic inputs and sustains social fertility. 2. Organic inputs provide minerals for the growth of plants. 3. Organic inputs are cheap as compared to chemical inputs. 4. Organic farming is environment friendly. 5. Inexpensive technology for small farmers. 6. Organic farming is based on labor intensive technique. 7. We get healthier and tastier food by the use of organic farming. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more knowledge.